What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? I'm Frank KG5AHJ, and we are over here at the Dayton Hamfest. They got the gates wide open, so everyone's coming in, and I can't wait to walk around and see what's going on and hanging out and show everything what's... Yes, let's just get to it. I can't even think of what to say. But people coming in. Yay, I can't walk the line this year. Knee. All right, so I swapped out the tripods here. It's usually a game, kind of a little game with me, on what did I leave at home. And this go around, unfortunately, it was the 200 new stickers I ordered for the Hamfest, so I only have a handful left. I said that yesterday on the live stream. Well, now I only have one. So one sticker left, and I'm only giving it to the ones who ask. I usually like, hey, take radio, here's a sticker, but I can't do that this go around. I am going to try my best to visit and show you the most of the Hamfest I can on knee that should be almost recovered by now. So let's get to it. In the wing of the first building, we have AMSAT. AMSAT is a great information resource for satellite tracking and on their website, and they also help do CubeSats. And so this is a breakout of their CubeSat with a bunch of boards. And then there's an example of a CubeSat, and then there is the double CubeSat. Over here is the triple CubeSat. AMSAT has online and also at other educational events great resources to learn about space. And they also have a youth program, and it's an amazing program. Go ahead and check them out. Say hi. One of the most monstrous and largest booths here is the DX Engineering booth. They're just huge. They have so much on display that they sell through their website. And I am going to be doing some more videos on some of their other products coming up on my channel, so keep an eye on that, because I am probably going to, I really want to start my ham shack build. I have a bunch of things from DX Engineering. I have a bunch of things from Gigaparts. We're going to be seeing them later, but I can't wait to get that going. Still walking through it. It's just so large. Next, we're over here at the Elecraft booth. Let's start over here with the K2s and K3s. These are great small, like Soto radios, QRP of course, and I did an activation down in Florida with them, and they're great radios. Sound quality was beautiful, just QRP, and I don't like QRP. But moving over here to the K4s over here is just, it's so, the faceplate is everything, so beautiful. The screen quality is amazing. The K4 also has an amazing remote head that you can also get, and remote software for Linux and Windows and Mac. That is awesome. So they covered all the platforms. That's amazing. So Elecraft is doing awesome things. They're just a little bit out of my price range, but I can still admire from afar. Aww. Full antenna, a great compact antenna. I'm going to be doing a video on them later about the antenna system and deploying it, so I can't wait to do that later this summer. Then around the corner is this joker live streaming, of course, Josh and Kenwood. Here's the Kenwood's contest station. I think over here that there is the new, actually working behind glass, TM D750. Nice, we finally get to see it, and it's running live APRS. That means it's going to be soon the new mobile tri-bander will be out later, no dates. If you fly into Cincinnati or you just got spare time, please head over to the Voice of America Museum. It is a great museum built around an actual radio transmitter that's done hundreds of kilowatts for the Voice of America during World War II. And they used to operate, I think, all the way back into the 90s. It's great history, huge radio transmitters and everything. You got to go down there and see it and make it a part of your Dayton Hamvention experience. We're outside, headed to building 2 now. Hey, what's going on? As we enter, we get Flex Radio. They really do make amazing radios and great contacting stations. Another radio I can't afford, but maybe one day I'll have one in my shack. From all the beeping you hear, it must be Benelli keys. There they are. One day when I get to know CW, I might get one of those. I am really interested in atoms and potent powers keys. I gotta learn it. I gotta learn it. And across from them, Signal Sticks. Signal Sticks is a great antenna for your HT. They also sell counterpoints for the better matching. However, when you do buy a Signal Stick, it supports hamstudy.org. Hamstudy.org is an amazing tool set online that you can study for your test, and it's free. It's free. And they do all that through the support and everything they generate from Signal Stick. So great company, great study aid, and can't recommend them enough. Puppy cam, yeah! Woo! Good puppy. Here is the juggernaut of this show this time, Icom, the Icom. Now before the show, I'll link the video. Hopefully I'll remember to link the video. They did debut and show us the new ID52, which is an amazing, the new update to the ID51. Quality upgrades all around. Please watch that video if you want more information. And they did sneak preview of the new X radio there. So a staple at any Hamfest. Come and get your shirts, your hats, anything you want, your badges with your call sign and name, because let me tell you, I use them a lot. But great, and any Hamfest has these, and definitely a staple of any Hamfest. Oh, I can't wait to do this now. I got my pin now, and where did we come from? All the way down here in that area about right there. It's probably the same hole I used last year. Yeah, puppy, 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 puppy. Yeah. It is time to enter the ARRL corridor of amazingness. The ARRL does a lot of stuff to help us out with ham radio. They also is one of our major lobbyists in our federal government. And this year there's 250 years with the United States. And it's just awesome, awesome, awesome. They got buttons. I'm not seeing my chocolate fix yet. All right, as we transition from building 2, woo, it's bright, to building 3, let me just say I love every one of y'all, especially to my supporters over on Patreon, especially to the ones that are on YouTube memberships. We are trying to push Patreon right now because we are trying to hit the next Patreon tier to unlock yearly Patreon support levels. So I just need a handful of y'all to go over there and support me at various tiers, and we should be able to hit that mark. Yes, plus every one of y'all who stopped me at any Hamvention or anywhere to say, hey man, Nate Radio, I do love you over on YouTube. I love it, I love it, I love it. Especially the ones that give me a little cigar, because RC, I just met an awesome fan, RC, over on, he frequents the channel, and also Jason's Ham Radio 2.0. Thank you. Thank you for the cigar from the bottom of my heart. I really do appreciate the items y'all give me. And if you tell me to share, especially those bourbons, I do. So let's see what we can find over here. Just talking about awesome, amazing fans. I just met a gentleman who's 3D printing SMA wrenches to undo the SMA screw. I love it, I love it. And he was the honor of getting my last sticker. And it's not even 11 o'clock on day 1. I'm so sorry. We got Pat Tenna here. Pat Tenna was at 4 Days in May, and he said he sold out of all of his antennas there. There's maybe a handful left over at DX Engineering, but also I had the video I did on Pat Tenna, and I think I'm going to try to link that below. But great antenna system, one of the best end-fed half-wave antennas you can buy, and I love it, so compact. And now we got the man, the myth, the legend, started to release videos again recently. Dennis, man, how you doing?
How's it going, Tank?
How you doing?
I'm just out here filming. I just got, I was helping Jim set up at the flea market.
Yeah.
I just got released, but he's got me on a leash, as you can see.
Dennis is awesome, amazing. Please go ahead and head over to his channel and subscribe. And then we got Ham Radio Outlet, a staple at any Hamfest itself, and they are amazing supporters of other smaller Hamfests around the country. So definitely head over to their website and pick some stuff up. And now we're at the amazing, ooh, I think that is an actual new Yaesu hat design over at the Yaesu booth. Thank you very much. And I see another puppy. Puppy, puppy, puppy. Ooh, a beautiful puppy. There we go. I'm in style now. Let's see what's going on the Yaesu booth. I see the man, the myth, the legend, the side profile, the drawn crook. He is busy showing off the new Yaesu repeater that they are debuting at the show. The Gen 3 Fusion repeater with Fusion. Don't know much about it yet. If you're interested, head over to the website and check it out, because that's the new thing over on Yaesu. Behind Fusion is Gigaparts. Gigaparts is an amazing sponsor to the channel through their affiliate program. If you head over there, please use Tank at checkout and get you double reward points, and it helps support the channel. Gigaparts also does the Intellitron series. They have whips and ham sticks and a lot of things, and Robbie, and and they have a whole bunch of other awesome things, antenna mounts and backpacks and all the amazing accessories they have for the Explorer system. I have an Explorer 1 backpack and I use a bunch of their bags, and I love it. I love it. Where's the one I get the most use out of? I misspoke. It's $20 and the show special for $10. That is going to be a purchase I'm going to make. Another amazing contributor to the cigar fund is the VHQ hex. This is the best hex antenna that you can buy to put up permanently. He also smokes some good cigars. And now we are entering building number 4. Let's show you how large this Hamfest was. We already been through 3 buildings. This is the youth section of everything. We have the ARRL, that's Amateur Radio ISS program, amazing program that does youth programs. And then another Youth on the Air program over here. The Youth on the Air program does summer camps for youth to teach them about STEM and
Ham radio guy!
Ham radio.
Woo!
Love it. I love it.
How you doing, Tank?
Doing good.
I mean, you got Tank radio!
Yeah. And then they have the youth tech kind of lounge where they have a lot of stations set up, kids to come and learn about soldering, and a bunch of just, we're in the final part where my live stream cut off yesterday. This is the last of the building 4, and we got Club Row here, we got Dora, we got Marco. Usually CW clubs over here, but I don't see them this year. This is not a club, this is Spec 5. Spec 5 makes mesh nodes that is amazing hardware with good batteries that you can just use for Meshtastic. I'm running a Meshtastic and also Mesh Core this year. And we probably do a follow-up video on how that worked. 5, ooh! Hi, Frank. What is up? And the next Hamfest around the corner in August is gonna be Huntsville. Quick elevator pitch there is Huntsville is the most friendliest Hamfest that you can go to. And it's a nice, easy 2-day Hamfest. So you got a Saturday and Sunday. And since it's only 2 days, we hang out at a park and have fun. So go ahead and look into that if you're able to. Boy Scouts at every Hamfest are laminating for us and for a nice donation and support them. Ooh, and patches. We're gonna end the indoor portion with the prize booth. Is it my number yet? No, maybe. Got some super masks there. We got some DX Engineering boxes and Icom way down there. Whoa, ooh, all right. Well, I need a quick rest because I've been walking for a solid 3 hours now, maybe close to 3.5. And I'm gonna rest my knee and grab some lunch. So we'll be back in a second and head to the swap meet area. Puppy. Lunch is done. Cigar is lit. And I hope I don't have any on my face because we're gonna go to the swap meet. And I've got to track down my tripod or my gimbal. I left it over at Smokin' Ape's table. I hope that's still there. So we're gonna start our journey there. Start up here, the Coffee and Hand Radio booth. They got the bourbon. We got an ape and a great antenna kits. They have a new kit out. Me and Ape, we're talking about it. Is one of the non-kit kits that you can buy. All you need is to buy that and a couple of whips and you'll be on the air. But let's go ahead and see what else we find over here in the swap meet area. I think I found the free tree here is a huge capacitor, a metal can. Yeah, it looks like a can. You can get it home, you can take it, it comes up to my thigh. Wow. And we got some nice, a key there, and these are old spark gaps stuff. Oh, so cool. And some old school gauges. I love it, I love it. We got another old boat anchor here. Ooh, so beautiful. I don't see the age of equipment that I do it out here at any other Hamfest other than Huntsville. I think everyone sits on it and saves it for Huntsville. But I am also on the look for an ID 5100, not the new one. I'd love to have the new one, but I need to get a used one for my satellite kit. I think I found the coolest thing. I'm gonna try to tweet about it here in a second. This is an RCA free tube tester. Oh, that's so cool. And I got some tubes, I guess, down there for you to go ahead and replace it. Wow, wow, I can't believe I've seen this. And look at that old school military walkie-talkie. Nice. I keep saying when I have the ability to test and understand how to fix them, I will start buying them. But that seems like a cool and fun thing to do. A Superman branded AM FM radio. What? That is so cool. So cool. And as always, it's out of YouTube Hamfest without the swap row of tubes. It's a lot of tubes. You got your bucket of old school military masks. I like it, I like it. Looks like some new ones, and the whole, ooh, that's rare. The tripod base for them. That's awesome. All right, got the gimbal back. And when they say the swap meet area here in Dayton is the largest, you can literally fit it inside the horse track and have spill over. This is what they're talking about. I'm on the horse track now, and I'm about to walk into the inner horse track swap meet area. Yeah! And here's the other thing to make it more official. We got the array of Motorola equipment and a charging banks. Nice, very nice. More and more officially a Hamfest. Here we go. A bunch of military radios. Love it all. And you know me by now, I gotta do this joke, but have you checked out these wonderful cans? Oh geez, those are huge. Beautiful too, wow. Well, I'm gonna cut the video here. It's starting to, looks like it's gonna rain and it's coming in. Plus I need to sit down and rest a little bit more. But I'm sorry a little for the shortness of the swap meet area. I would like to do a little bit more. But thank y'all for watching. I do appreciate it. Thank you all to my YouTube supporters. Thank you to everyone on Patreon. If you're not supported already, head over to Patreon and give me a subscribe because we're doing a big Patreon push right now. Y'all are awesome and amazing as always. Go forth and conquer.